Select Football 2019 number one. Number one. You guys can pick the box. I got Sam 5, Joe 1, Serge 2, Mike 1, Nick 1, Fake News 3, John Phillips 5, Bridget 2, Jacobson 1, Savannah 5, Dan 2, Matt 3, and Mike with 1. 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. Mike K's on top with the Cardinals. Fake News is on the bottom with Washington. Group your guys together. Bridget, Eagles, Bucks. Dan Murphy, Browns, Chiefs. Joe, Pats. Fake News. Joe, you always get the Patriots. Fake News, Panthers, Steelers, Skins. John Phillips, Rams, Jets, Chargers, 69ers, Seahawks. Matt, Pax, Colts, Saints. Jacob, Giants. Calf, Cardinals. Mangla, Jags. Nick, Falcons. Sam, Ravens, Boys, Broncos, Vikings, Raiders. Savannah, Bills, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Dolphins. Surge, Bears, and Titans. Okay. Box 1, 2, or 3. Breaking out the lunch lady gloves and all. Number 2. 3, 2. Anybody else? Absolutely not. There's the list. The list of Jericho. Alright, I have 1 vote 3, 1 vote 2, guys. Any other votes? I scream, you scream, we all scream for select. No, they're not. They're just transparent gloves. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Alright, guys, another minute here. This one does take a little while to open up. Select Premium Mini. You still have about 6 or so breaks left. Another 30 seconds, guys. Get your trades in. I got 2 votes for box 2, 2 votes for box 3. Susan will be the deciding factor. No trades, no trades. Sam's got Ravens, Boys, Broncos, Vikes, and Raiders all up. I'm sure Fake News would want the Vikings. I don't know if he's on or not. He has Panthers, Steelers, and Skins. Sue says... Where the heck is Susan at? Alright, I will pick Susan, 2 or 3. I got all the credit. I want a full size. Alright, box 3 it is. I can read her mind. Susan, I can read your mind. We did a ton of select last year, but it also wasn't $300 a freaking box, whatever it is. All right, guys, here we go. Alright, Miles Boykin rookie. Barrett rookie. Charles Tillman. This is my first time looking at these. Aaron Donald at 149. And Stidman. A lot of shipping, guys. A lot of sorting, a lot of shipping. I used to put these on eBay. I might put them back on there. Probably not though. Give you guys first dibs. It was a lot because I'd have like 30 people on buying one spot, and shipping was ridiculous. Yeah, these are nice. Will Greer rookie, Trubisky rookie, Devin White out of 75 on jersey auto. Devin White for the Buccaneers. Devin White for the Buccaneers. Devin White. Michael Thomas. AJ Bouye. There's like no base in here. Actually, I think this was a base card. What are the base cards look like? I think they're these. Oh no, they're these. Here's the base cards. Trubisky, Will Greer. First off the line, got some good stuff. DK Metcalf, Lamar Jackson, Keenan Allen, Silver, Prism, DK Metcalf, Jalen Smith. Oh my, they fell in a puddle of mud. Jeez, hate to see that. Jacoby Myers, Aaron Donald, filler, Dak Prescott silver, Terry McLaurin purple out of 75. Nice Terry McLaurin, Mike Vick, Scary Terry. Dak Prescott. Aaron Donald, Jacoby Myers, that's the base card. I would have been heated. I would have been heated. I was punching air. Julio, Justice Hill, Benny Snell Jr. Prism, Johnson for the Vikings, red, white, and blue, America. Jimmy Moreland. Oh, that's good, Dalton. Just the base cards? You don't need those anyways. Unless you got a wood burner. Ryan Finley, Son, Scary Terry, another Scary Terry, Fake News, Andre Johnson, Prism, Aaron Jones. I did. We just did it before this one. The basketball, we have another one going. I hope so. It'd be nice to get a zebra in here. Irv Smith, Boyle, Saquon silver. Lev Bell. Lamar Jackson base. Wait, no. Is that a base? No. There's points in these? Oh man, that's horrible. If we pull points, I'm gonna flip this table over. Ty Johnson, Darrell Henderson, Steven Kukowski auto at a 75, the kicker. Kicker for the Patriots. Steven Kukowski. Alright, Eskimo Joe, there you go. Eskimo Joe always hitting the Patriots, man. Always hit. I can't remember who pulled that Patriots auto. I think they disappeared it within thin air. They hit a Tom. I pulled a Brady auto. Never seen him again. I also pulled a LeBron gold. Never saw that person again either. No, JMS, you're not in. No, you're not in select. You bought value basketball and you bought into premium packs. Kyler Murray rookie, Khalil Mack, Saquon, Mecole Hardman Jr. at a 99, Derek Thomas, Hardman Jr. for the Chiefs. Coaches and kickers, man, there you go. That's you. Somehow, I'm surprised you. Yeah, you would have. If you were though, you would have definitely had the Patriots. That's for sure. Definitely would have had the Patriots somehow. Somehow, some way. Derek Thomas, Saquon, Kyler Murray, Isabella, Tilly, Sammy Watkins silver, Darrell Henderson die cut out of 99, Ray Lewis. Two packs left, guys. 2 packs left. The coronavirus, yeah. That's right, I want you, just in case I'm confirmed. Patty Ice, Devin Bush, Mark Andrews silver, Russell Wilson silver, and Teddy Bridgewater base. Patrick Mahomes base, Devin Bush rookie. Yeah, Sam, I got 10, well no, not a full case, I bought 2 half cases. Mark Andrews, Russell Wilson. You're asking for the zebra, is that why? So there could be 2 zebras, could be no zebras, could be 1 zebra. Marquise Brown, Ridley, Jared Goff. Oh, nice AJ Brown, tie-dye out of 25. That's very nice. Tie-dye AJ Brown. Very nice. Yeah, there should be some in here. AJ Brown tie-dye for the Tennessee Titans. Very nice hit there. Robert Woods base, Marquise Brown, Ridley, and Jared Goff. Okay. Good stuff, guys. I'll do a little recap here. Little recappy poo. These are all base. Base. Okay. These will all go out. I'm just going to mark the spreadsheet so I can keep them in order. A.J. Brown, Rams, Terry, kicker. Jeez, that's nuts. Savannah, Murph, 2 more select. All right, there's think about 20 left in the next select. Next select. Or last year, man, you could sell select for $8 a spot. Not anymore, man. They jacked it up way too high. Way too high. All right, guys, take my gloves off. All right, let me go ahead and see who has the main hits. The rest of those will go out as well. Kansas City Chiefs, Chief Keefs, Dan Murphy. Dan Murphy, Chief Keef. Savannah, okay. Tennessee Titans, Sergio. Tampa Bay Bucks, Bridget. Bridget. LA Rams, Los Angeles Rams, John Phillips. New England Patriots, Eskimo Joe. Washington Redskins, fake news. That's what I mean. Shipping on here is crazy. Shipping will be crazy. LA Rams, 2 LA Rams. Yep, I already got that. And the rest of those cards got as well. All right, guys, 5 times for the 5 times. Whoever's on top, free spot. TriStar Mini helmet. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times. Wesley, you gotta go back in time on the channel there. That was the last break. Savannah, that was this one. You gotta slide back. You have to go back on the stream. All right, there you go, Savannah. There you go. That was number 1. Select foosball. Congrats. All right, guys. Premium minis up next. And we also have another select. Premium pack's almost done. We have another basketball going as well. So Volt has 9 left. Premium pack has 10 left. Value basketball has 20 left. TriStar Mini, we have another select working. We have Dan Murphy with 2. Savannah Laney with 2. Brian with 2. Okay, so we have another one going. Alright, guys. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to join the Facebook and Instagram, P Sports Cards 24. Appreciate it. Have a good one.